welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making candy cane reindeers.
This for each of us.
We need pipe cleaners,
Yep.
candy canes, and pom-poms. And we also need googly eyes,
And double-sided tape.
and you just need something to wrap the antlers or the pipe cleaners around.
So we just took a pencil for
Wow. So what you want to do is take one candy cane and take a pipe cleaner. Wrap the middle of the pipe. Wrap the pipe cleaner around like this. Wrap the pipe cleaner around like this. Then take like a pencil or something and wrap the antlers around. So now I'm going to do the other side. I just pull it out, and this is the reindeer's antlers. This is the reindeer's antlers. Do is take 2 pieces of the double-sided tape and wrap it around your candy cane. One where you want to put your googly eyes, and the other one is where you want to put your pom-pom. So wrap it like this. Wrap it like that. This is for the eyes and this is for the nose. Now once you did that, you want to take any color pom-pom, and I'm taking a red one. And I'm going to stick the pom-pom on the bottom piece of tape, like this. And now take a pair of eyes. So I have my pair of eyes right here. And I'm just going to stick it on, like sideways, like this. So now this is what the finished candy cane reindeer looks like. Everyone hold your candy cane up. Not like that, Ryan, like this. So you hold yours up like this, nose.
You all ready?
This is how we make candy cane reindeers.
Or alien reindeers.
That's what he made, because he put like 4 eyes, I think.
This.
Oh. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe.
Highlight.
And hit the bell button. Bye!